Hello friends, welcome to this video. Here we will know what is share market. Okay, most of us know share market, but in detail, what is it that we will go through. Well, I am Dinesh Deshmukh. Let's start the video. Right, share market, center for falling tradings, है ना? In other words, we can say that the share market is a place where trading of equities is done, and equities or shares is allotted by companies which are listed on the trading centers. Okay, that means you can invest your money in good companies, well known companies that have prospectus of growing, so that your money will also grow, right? So there are many trading centers in which two are two important are well known. One is NSE, National Stock Exchange, and second is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, that is Sensex. And NSE, it is called as Nifty, are main trading centers in India. Okay, so what are the functions of this share market? Okay, well, there are financial product trading, right? You can buy or sell financial products, right? Like gold, ETF, currencies, shares, etc., right? Number two, stock equity trading. Okay, there are large number of companies which list the stocks on BSE and NSE, है ना? Like Tata Motor, right? Tata Chemical, Reliance Industry. So you can buy or invest in those shares through BSE and NSE centers, right? Then stock and indices future equities trading. Again, it's derivative. Equities derivatives also traded. That is futures in stock as well as in indices. Again, you can trade in options. Sorry, in stocks as well as in indices. Again, you can do trading in currencies like USD, INR, Euro, INR, likewise. Okay, so there is also fluctuation in currencies also. Again, number 6, you can do trading of commodities. Okay, like zinc, copper, gold, silver. These are the commodities you can trade. If you think that gold will have higher price in future, then you can buy it and sell at your target. Okay, so so this were the functions of share market, right? Okay, thank you for watching video. If you require any other information, please comment in comment box, so I will try to make a video on the same topic. Okay, and if you like this video, please click the like button, and you can subscribe to your our channel, so that you will be able to visible more useful videos. Again, you can share with your friends also. Thank you for listening.